This looks like the perfect spot set up for the day. Yep, this is the perfect spot.
I'm sorry to say this again, but I don't think this is a good spot either.
What's wrong this time?
For starters, it's not enough cover.
Not this one again.
I don't see any water nearby, and that's never a good sign.
We're sleeping here, not building a house.
That's the other thing. It's not even close to bedtime.
Sure it is.
The sun is still out, and we still have a couple hours of light left, and we can cover another mile or two.
Good point. But here's my counterpoint. I'm tired.
I'm sorry to hear that, but you know what this trip was about. But you know what this trip was about before we even got started.
Still, I didn't realize the whole schedule would be so rigid.
Except I told you it was crucial to stay on schedule.
Listen, no one is going to win this conversation. We have you and what you said about the trip versus what I want to happen on this trip. I'm staying here with me.
But you're not ready. You don't have the right supplies. You don't even have what you need.
I guess you can just either help me out or leave me here.
That's not fair.
It is what it is now, isn't it? I'm not getting a single thing.
You're in the middle of nowhere.
I think the problem is with my wireless service provider.
Do you have any food with you?
I'm sure I'll stumble across something, like berries or nuts or robin's eggs.
That's a terrible idea.
I'm sure things will work out.
Did you not even read the informational packet I provided?
I'm pretty sure I looked at the cover and a nice picture of a tree on it, right?
Right. It was also filled with incredibly valuable information about what clothes and supplies to pack, survival tips, and even a training regimen to follow in the weeks leading up to the trip.
That sounds like a lot of information.
It was. And without it, you put me, you, and this whole trip in danger.
You seem really upset by this.
You've been horribly irresponsible.
Really? Fine. I'm sorry. Now, fix it.
Fix it?
Yes, fix it. You're the one in charge here, so fix it.
I can't just fix it. I did my job by letting you know in advance what it was going to be like. That kind of work you are going to have to put in. You didn't listen.
That doesn't sound great for me.
That's because it's not.
So what happens next?
Well, I'm not going to just leave you here unprepared and not ready to face the challenges.
I like that.
What am I going to do? What I'm going to do is walk with you and help you along the way and make sure that you have everything you need.
I also like that.
Here's what you're not going to like.
Alright.
You're going to have to listen to me, trust me, and I'm going to need you to work when it's time to work, and have faith that I'll give you all the best you need.
You're right. I don't like that.
Do you think you can do it?
I think I'll try, but I'll probably fail sometimes.
I'll tell you what, that will be okay. When things don't go the way we want them to, we run into problems, failures, and other stuff along the way, and we'll figure out what to do next together.
Sort of like a team?
Yes, we're on the same team. Just trust me to lead. I'll trust you to follow, and then we'll get where we want to go.
That works.
I think so too.